मनीष, मनीष एंड मनीष, ये दो थोड़ी नाइंसाफी है, क्या लगता है?
हाँ, we are on the currently escaping from the law. मनीष ने हमें चारों तरफ से घेर लिया, ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है, ऐसे कुछ हो रहा है।
सब अलग-अलग साइजेस में भी हैं, स्मॉल, मीडियम, लार्ज।
लार्ज? नॉट बैड। चलिए साइज की बात नहीं करते, आगे बढ़ते हैं। और मनीष, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, आपकी ये जो नई कलेक्शन है एंड एसोसिएशन विद ड्यूलक्स वेलवेट टच, उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
मेरे लिए फैशन इन मूवीज, इट्स बीन 23 years ऑफ कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइन एंड फॉर मी इट्स ऑलवेज बीन कलर्स। तो जब मेरे काम की बात आती है फिल्मों में या इन मेन स्ट्रीम फैशन, इट्स ऑलवेज अबाउट कलर्स। एंड सो फॉर मी when I got associated with Dulux and we are launching celebrations, why are Dulux? I'm reaching out to people's homes and like Farhan Akhtar rightly said, it's all about self-expression. For me, I think when you come home, a house should reflect what you feel. You should feel good about it. You should feel, okay, you're in a whole happy atmosphere and feel relaxed. So here we are with Dulux launching celebrations, which is going to make you feel life's a celebration. So there are going to be some interesting colors. We are also launching a fabulous color, which I love very much, which represents our culture, our heritage, red. And my entire couture collection this season has been inspired by red and old world blue. And what we are mixing them is with lovely metallic shades of dull gold, metallic silver, and old traditional Indian motifs. So your home's going to feel, okay, life's a celebration. And when you come home, and if you have Dulux paints on, you're going to feel life's a party.
All right, and if I talk about the new Dulux Velvet Touch celebration, you have handpicked 15 colors.
Yes, 17 actually.
17,
Yes.
all right. So, kya thought tha, what made you pick up only those 17? Why?
Well, it was about this season that we wanted to go back to culture, we wanted to go back to tradition, and red representing Sindhu, red representing marriage, red representing every auspicious occasion that we celebrate in India. So red was where it came from. Blue is, I think, the new black, and it's masculine, it's feminine, it's very interesting, and so we've been using a lot of blue in clothes, and I thought it would be a nice way to get it at homes. And there's a lot of grey, we'll use a lot of metallics, we've used interesting pinks. I think it's time that homes reflect, have like a whole amalgamation of colors. So there is a soft wall which is maybe ivory, and then suddenly you have this interesting wall which is a color that catches your eyes. So that's how it is, and that's how the whole collection came through.
All right, well, Manish, I'm sure that this collection is also going to be a super duper hit, what we say, blockbuster. All right, with that, ladies and gentlemen, moving on. Sir, anything you would say?
No,
I just felt you wanted to say something.
No.
You don't want to say anything? You think I'm looking good?
Absolutely.
Brilliant. I always do look good. Moving on. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time now to launch the Dulux Signature Fashion Trends for Your Walls coffee book. This limited edition book showcases the celebration range of fashion for your walls, brought to you by Manish Malhotra, featuring all the colors, textures and stencils that will bring out the best in your home interiors. Now may I please request Mr. Bhatia and Mr. Rajgopal to join Farhan and Manish to unveil the books. Please.
You're supposed to look at the decor of the wall.
Oh yeah, actually I was looking at that only, but I just saw the dress also hanging there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to collect your own limited edition of this book. With that, I think it's time for the Q&A. So, can we start with that, sir?
Sure.
All right, can we...
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Thank you so much.
I know you get a little embarrassed when people ask you about how fashionable you are and how stylish you are. But recently, for the past few events, you've actually been sort of the most stylish, and now this is again another fashion and style brand. And Dulux can be called a fashion brand, I assume. So now I think you can say you are quite fashionable, and you can say you kind of, think over fashion a lot, yeah?
Well, I think everyone has their own sense of style. This is something I've always maintained. And at times, how I dress may be in season, and at times how I dress maybe not. But I think it's very important, again, just coming back, I think, which is the important decision to have been made to go ahead and have this creative association was with people who, again, are providing you something to just be who you are. I think that's very, very important. You can only be truly comfortable and only be truly relaxed if you're comfortable being yourself. The minute you're catering to somebody else's idea of what's good looking, not good looking, stylish, not stylish, somehow you're not being you. So it's very, very crucial that you feel that way. And if something allows you to, whether it's clothes again or, like we said, the color on walls, if that freedom is there for you to be able to express yourself, that's all you want.
Manish, he, like I was just telling, he always humbly proclaims that, he's himself all the time, and he actually doesn't. So you tell me, out of his, his fashion quotient, honestly, how would you say? I mean, he's got his own style, he's effortless, he doesn't try too hard. So what about you? What do you think about Farhan's style?
Well, I think Farhan, I've known him since years and had the little privilege of working with him in Dawn for Kareena. So I think style reflects in everything that you do, the way you speak, the way you do your work. Your work reflects your style, in which I think Farhan in every sphere. I was just telling Atul, like, whether he, he's been a singer, producer, director, actor, and in everything he's been extremely stylish. And I think more than anything else, he's had his own his own space, his own individuality. So I think that's what makes him truly stylish.
Great, I'm going to ask one last thing. I don't see too many hands around, so I'm going to take the advantage of it. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'll give it to you. Okay.
I think you can go and sit down.
I think she's asking on everyone's behalf.
Why don't
Ladies
you
and
just
gentlemen,
come
just
up here?
relax. We
Manish
have the
goes
lady. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want Manish to, go ahead and pull up people and make them ask questions. Okay, Farhan, what about your house? Like you mentioned here that you are trying to, you're kind of inspired and you want to make it more stylish. What is your idea of that perfect home, and that perfect wall? And that...
For me, the idea of a perfect home is let my wife decide what she wants to do. I think that's
Intelligent man.
Hello, my question is for any Manish.
Sir, any Manish? Sir, बाहर भी दो खड़े हैं, उनको भी बुला लो अंदर. जी sir.
First thing, what do you mean by velvet touch? And second question is, are you going to add more colors? I mean, after 17, are you interested to add more colors as and when?
ये question I think मेरी तरफ लग रहा है.
सर ये तो चूज कर नहीं रहे, मैं तो होस्टिंग कर रहा हूँ. सर आप ही कर रहे हो, आपके लिए.
So इन्होंने order दिया सिर्फ 17 colors. Next time जब बोलेंगे और colors, so I'll come up with more colors. So you're the boss.
सर आपका कोई personal favorite for the lady in red? सर बता दो कोई नहीं. It's okay, sir. Everybody likes the lady in red. Okay, moving on.
Hello, good afternoon, sirs. Manish, yeah, Farouk. Yeah. Hi. Of course, your present fashion trend, emblem, everything is well known, and you do change your stylization of the fashion